In a region already on edge, tensions skyrocketed as Iran launched a barrage of drones and missiles towards Israel. But what led to this alarming escalation? According to Turkish, Jordanian, and Iraqi officials, Iran had given prior notice to its intentions, citing retaliation for an attack on its embassy in Syria. However, the story takes a twist as US officials deny receiving any such warning, alleging Iran's aim was to cause significant damage. While Iranian Foreign Minister Hossein Amir Abdollahian claims they provided a 72-hour notice to neighboring countries and the US, a senior official from President Biden's administration refutes this, stating they were only informed after the strikes began. The attack, comprising drones, cruise missiles, and ballistic missiles, raised fears of major casualties and further escalation. Yet, Iraqi sources reveal Iran had informed Baghdad through diplomatic channels, enabling precautions to be taken to avoid fatal accidents. Jordanian officials also confirm Iran's briefing to Arab envoys in Tehran about their intentions. However, the exact timing remained undisclosed. Amidst these conflicting narratives, one thing is clear: the risk of escalation looms large. US President Joe Biden, firm in its stance, has conveyed to Israel that the US won't participate in any retaliatory actions. Meanwhile, Israel waits its response, vowing to exact the price from Iran in due time. As the world watches with bated breath, the question remains: how far will this escalation go, and can peace prevail in a region fraught with volatility? What do you think? Tell us in the comments below.